very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you all had a brilliant weekend. Just in terms of taking a look around the markets as we head around 10:30 now here in London, and pretty quiet in terms of the docket. No real major economic data today from the US is to be expected. In terms of what we have seen, though, is a bit of strength in the general financials in UK and Europe, particularly of that in the FTSE 100, where market participants got their first time to have a look at the latest ICB, the Independent Commission Banking Interim Report today, which was released pre-market and was somewhat softer than many had feared and alleviated any fears of any bank restructuring for those UK banks. And as such, the likes of Barclays and RBS are trading up respectively around the 3% mark at the moment. Elsewhere as well, one thing which we have seen is a further 3 earthquakes in northeast Japan, all pretty similar to the location of where the previous earthquakes have struck in Fukushima Prefecture. In terms of the first, that was around 7.1 on the magnitude, so still very large in terms of these various aftershocks. Looking forward though, in terms of the rest of the session, pretty quiet overall as mentioned, so we'll be keeping an eye on the various volumes and price action. In terms of Gaddafi, there has been reports that they have worked out a potential ceasefire according to the African Unions. However, something which we'll continue to monitor. WTI and Brent, slight negative territory ahead of the NYMEX pit open. Looking forward then, earnings season does kick off in earnest today. We'll have Alcoa reporting after the closing bell on the New York Stock Exchange, and this week does see JP Morgan on Wednesday and also Bank of America there to report on Friday as well. That concludes the opening European wrap. We'll have another update for you at the cash equity close this afternoon. So for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.